Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be giving you 5 foods that I'm telling you is going to help you with preventing shedding. If you're someone that's experiencing shedding, hair loss, hair breakage, anything of that nature, these 5 foods is going to really help you. Not only are they amazing, but they are readily available in all food stores. Okay, so without further ado, let's just jump straight into this video. Okay, so the first food is watercress. Watercress is rich in iron. It prevents your hair from thinning. It supports your oxygen delivery to your follicles. It is high in vitamin A, is loaded with antioxidants, and it contains sulfur. When it comes to the vitamin A portion of watercress, it's known to promote your sebum production, right? And we know we have natural oils in our bodies that's called sebum. This sebum actually helps to nourish our scalp and keep our scalp healthy. Okay, the antioxidants that's in watercress helps to fight with oxidative stress. If you're experiencing stress, it's going to really help with that. And it also can help to strengthen in those hair follicles or those hair strands that are actually weak, right? And by strengthening those hair follicles that are weak, that will help to prevent your hair from thinning out and from you losing hair. Okay, and it also contains sulfur. Sulfur is very powerful when it comes to hair health because it's a key component in keratin, which is the protein that we actually have in our hair to help strengthen our hair strands. Okay, so if you don't want to ingest watercress, you can actually use it externally, and you can use it as a DIY treatment by mixing watercress juice with coconut oil and just making a deep conditioning treatment. Okay, so food number 2 is chickpeas. Chickpeas is high in protein, it's high in zinc, it's packed with folate, and it also has biotin in it. All of these different ingredients really help when it comes to hair thinning and hair loss. Okay, the protein that's inside of the chickpeas help with preventing your hair from breakage. When it comes to the zinc helps to support your hair follicles as well as renew growth to your hair. And the folate aids in cellular renewal or cellular regeneration. The biotin, we know biotin is good. A lot of different foods have biotin in it. Biotin is known to thicken up your hair and give your hair shine. Okay, now, like I said in the first food, if you don't want to ingest it, you can use it externally, and you can use it as a treatment for your hair. You can take some chickpeas, you can, mash it up and create a paste, adding coconut milk to it and just using it as a strengthening treatment on your hair. Food number 3 is black sesame seeds. Now, black sesame seeds are rich in copper. It's high in omega-3s and omega-6. It can strengthen your roots. It prevents shedding. It prevents your hair from actually thinning out. And it's also known, when it comes to the copper, to actually help with your hair pigmentation, right? And delaying of gray. We are all getting gray hair here and there. We're getting older. So when you incorporate black sesame seeds into your diet, it really can help with delaying that gray hair process. Okay, so black seeds is definitely another one that you can incorporate in your diet. If you don't want to ingest it, you can create an oil with it. You can take the sesame seeds and you can soak it overnight, or soak it for about a week in some coconut oil, and then go ahead and strain it and then use it topically onto your scalp and use it as a massage oil. Okay, food number 4 is Brazil nuts. Now, Brazil nuts are rich in selenium. It's known to actually help with hair growth. So if you're losing your hair, you want to incorporate Brazil nuts because it's going to help with regrowing your hair back. It's also high in healthy fats as well as vitamin E and protein, which is also amazing for strengthening your hair and preventing oxidative stress. Okay, so like the other food I had mentioned, if you're suffering with stress and stuff like that, that can be a contributing factor as to why your hair is thinning and why you're actually losing hair. But by you eating Brazil nuts, it can really help with that, okay? And it also can help with the brittleness of your hair if you're experiencing brittle hair, okay? Now, when it comes to doing a DIY treatment for your hair, you can take some Brazil nuts, you can crush them up, and you can steep it in water, and you can use it as a hairspray for your hair. And food number 5 is sea buckthorn. Sea buckthorn is another powerhouse. It is rich in omega-7s. It is loaded with vitamin C, A, and E, and it will help with preventing hair thinning, and it will help to promote a healthier scalp. It also boosts collagen production in your hair as well, which also helps in turn with preventing breakage. Okay, So if you don't eat sea buckthorn, maybe you want to incorporate that into your diet, but it's going to really help with preventing hair loss and hair thinning. Okay, you can do a DIY treatment with it. You can make a sea buckthorn oil treatment and just apply that to your scalp as a deep nourishment treatment for your hair. Okay. Okay, guys, so that's it. Those are my 5 foods that I have for you that's going to really help with preventing hair loss or combat your hair thinning and your hair shedding or whatever you're experiencing when it comes to your hair. If you know of some foods that you want to share down in the comment section, go ahead and drop those foods down there that can really help someone out. And yeah, thumbs up the video, subscribe to my channel, and go ahead and check out this video because this video also gives some good tips on things that you can eat as well to help with promoting hair growth. Thank you for watching. Be blessed, and I love you with the love of Christ. Bye.